Now, very critical that you define certain terms and conditions and privacy policy for your website. These are sort of treated as legal requirements for a website, though there is no specific enforcing agency for the same. But continents like Europe, where the GDPR and all has been implemented, a privacy policy becomes a must. Now, this is not really a part of the terms and conditions for your products and services. These are terms and conditions at the basic level for people visiting and using the content on your website. The privacy policy provides that any information about visitors, when collected by the website, how will it be used and how will you protect that confidential information for various visitors of the website. So don't miss this out. Now, beyond this, you could also add a refund policy and some kind of a product and services policy for your offerings through the website. If you're an e-commerce platform, it becomes all the more important that these are specified. Otherwise, there could be payment gateway vendors who will not really approve you. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a good day.